In the words of the Sachidanand Ghan Brahm, oi hoy, 600 years ago from today, let me show you that. Look at the Kabir Sagar. These are the words of Sachidanand Ghan Brahm, words of Kabir and Kabir Sagar. Look how thick it is, and the detail which is given in it. And this is Kabir Sagar. It has 11 parts. It has been published by Khemaraj Sri Krishna Das Prakashan, Bombay. Published by Kabir Sagar Gyan Sagar. Kabir Panthi Bharat Pathik Swami Yugalanand Vihari. Only the Kabir sect followers have kept it in good condition. Printer and publisher is Khemaraj Sri Krishna Das. Director Sri Khemaraj Sri Krishna Das Marg, Bombay. Now I will show you in this. You should take a look. This is the page number in Gyan Bodh, Kabir Sagar, Gyan Bodh, page 20. And here is Bodh Sagar. In Gyan Bodh on Bodh Sagar, page 21, God Kabir Sahib says to his dear soul Dharamdas, Dharamdas ye jag borana, koi na jane pad nirvana. Nirvana pad means salvation path. Dharamdas ye jag borana, koi na jane pad nirvana. यही कारण मैं कथा पसारा, जग से कहियो राम न्यारा. This rhyme is wrongly written here. It is a misprint. यही जान जग जीव सुनाओ, सब जीव का भरम नशाओ. अब मैं तुमसे कहूँ चिताई, त्रिदेवन की उत्पत्ति भाई. I will tell you how did deities Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh come into existence. कुछ संक्षेप कहो गुहराई, सब संशय तुम्हारे मिट जाई. भरम गए जग वेद पुराना, आदि राम का भेद न जाना. दिस इज राम. राम राम सब जगत बखाने, आदि राम कोई बिरला जाने. Now the followers of Kabir were confused. Even they did not understand God, made a mistake here. It was a fault of their understanding. For that, God had given instruction to Garib Das Sahib Ji for its correction. From here, it is clear, Ram Ram Sab Jagat Kahe. Adi Ram means eternal God, Sanatan Paramatma. Only a few realize Sachidanand Ghan Brahm. राम राम सब जगत बखाने, आदि राम कोई बिरला जाने. ज्ञानी सुने सो हृदय लगाई, मूर्ख सुने तो गम ना पाई. What is said here, I will explain to you about the parents of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Those who are intelligent will understand when they look at the proof, while the idiots who cannot understand, it is in their habit to talk silly. Maashtangi pita niranjan, vejam darun vanshan anjan. पहले की निरंजन राई, पीछे से माया उपजाई. माया रूप देख अति शोभा, देव निरंजन तन मन लोभा. कामदेव धर्म राय सताए, देवी को तुरंत ही घर खाए. पेट से देवी करी पुकारी, साहिब मोहे करो उबारी. पेट से देवी करी पुकारी, साहिब मोहे करो उबारी. टेर सुनो सतगुरु त आए, अष्टंगी को बंद छुड़ाए. Here in reality, it is टेर सुनी तहाँ हम आए. God says, अष्टंगी के बंध छुड़वाए. Now on page 22, ज्ञान बोध, कबीर सागर. धर्म राय को हिकमत कीन्हा, नक रेखा से भग कर लीन्हा. Now he says that devil himself placed a reproductive organ on Durga. धर्म राय करे भोग विलासा, माया को रही तब आसा. Which means Durga was now pregnant. तीन पुत्र अष्टंगी जाए, ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव नाम धराए. 3 sons were born of Durga from a union with devil and were named Brahma, Vishnu and Shiv. 3 देव विस्तार चलाए, इनमें ये जग धोखा खाए. पुरुष गम्या कैसे के पावे, काल निरंजन जग भरमावे। तीन लोक अपने सुत दीन्हा, सुन निरंजन भाषा लीन्हा। Handing over to his three sons the rule of the three loks, Prithvi, Patal and Swarg, he himself went up to stay in the vacuum. Vacuum is that place above where he has clandestinely made three forms and three places. तीन देव सो उनको ध्यावे, निरंजन कावे पार न पावे. Since even Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh could not find their father, so they are addressing him as formless, Nirakar. अलख निरंजन बड़वट पारा, तीन लोक जीव कीन आहारा. ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव नहीं बचाए, सकल खाए पुन धूर उड़ाए. तिनके सुत हैं तीन दीवा, अंधर जीव करत है सेवा. Now God explains that Durga and Kal have three sons, Rajgun Brahma, Satgun Vishnu, Tamgun Shivji. And blind beings pray to them. Blind here means the ignorant beings, considering them to be the ultimate God, pray to them. Look further. Tinke sut hain teeno deva, andhar jeev karat hain seva. Seva here implies to worshipping. The blinded, ignorant beings, lacking the subtle spiritual knowledge, keep worshipping the three sons of Kal. Akal Purush kahu nahi cheenha, Kal paye sabhi geh leena. तीन देव और अवतारा, ताको भजे सकल संसारा. It is said there are these three deities, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and the Asur and Avatar, and the world just keeps on worshipping these avatars. तीनों गुण का ये विस्तारा, धर्मदास मैं कहूँ पुकारा. God Kabir Ji says, गुण तीनों की भक्ति में भूल परो संसार. कह कबीर निज नाम विन, कैसे उतरो पार. God says that the following is the scope of three qualities, Rajgun Brahma, Satgun Vishnu, Tamgun Shivji. गुण तीनों की भक्ति में भूल परो संसार, कह कबीर निज नाम बिना, कैसे उतरो पार. Nij Ram bin, call it Nij Naam. Now